emerging artist from Manipur, an indie pop and rock singer-songwriter known for his soulful live looping shows. He is also the winner of Red Ribbon Idol 2025, Manipur Got Talent Runners-Up 2022. He is loved for his Ed Sheeran covers and heartfelt originals. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the OG Shel Dawn.
Hello, check, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check. A little volume on the monitor, please. Hello, check. Monitor volume. Check, check. Sorry, guys, for taking some time. There's some technical problems, I guess. Yeah. I want to start off with my favorite song and favorite artist song. So I guess you know this song, and I want you guys to sing along as well. I found the love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet, who I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of her own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Everyone, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Oh no. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I've met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Thank you so much, guys. I just want to say that Poumai community, you look so beautiful tonight. So I want to dedicate this song to all of you guys. This song is called Beautiful Things. For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found the girl my parents love, so come and stay tonight, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me He can take away. And I hope you every night. That's the feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Oh, well, I find my mind now feeling sane. It's been a while since I'm finding my fate. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love. But I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Oh, please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Thank you. For this next song, I'm gonna be singing on track, so it's gonna get real pumpy. Track number 4. Billionaire. Can you please play Billionaire, track number 4? Check. Ready? Please start again. Thank you. I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy a love the things I never had. You know this song, right? I wanna be in the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining light. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas, gift travel your wish list. I'd probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't ever had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, hey lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travis Claus minus the ho-ho. Get it? I'll probably visit when Katrina hit, and damn sure do a lot more than SEMA did. Yeah, can't forget about me. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own team. Oh, every time I close my eyes, come on, I see my name is shining light. Yeah. A different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. Oh. Oh, say what? Oh. I was playing ball with the president, dunking on his delicate, then a complimenting on his political etiquette. Toss a couple million in the air just for the heck of it. But keep the 5, 20, 10s and Benz completely separate. Yeah, I'll be in a whole new tax bracket. We in recession, but let me take a crack at it. I'll probably take whatever's left and just split it up, so everybody that I love can have a couple bucks. And not a single tummy around me with no hunger was eating good, slim and soundly. I know we all have a similar dream. Go in your pocket, pull out your one and put it in the air and sing. I wanna be a billionaire, so big and bad. Smile up the things I never had. Yeah, I wanna be in the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. What up, Oprah? Everyone! Oh, every time I close my eyes, say what? I see my name is shining light. Yeah. A different city every night. Oh, I swear the world is prepared for when I'm a billionaire. Oh. When I'm a billionaire. I wanna be a billionaire so bad. Thank you guys. I'll be singing in a few minutes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sheldon, for such a soulful performance. You light up the energy, you light up the room with such a beautiful energy. And also, yes, we'd love to have you back even in the coming years. So now I give time to the Fusion Show team. The stage is all yours. Thank you to all the amazing participants for that fusion of tradition and modern style. We'd also like to extend our gratitude to the fusion show costume designer and the choreographer for bringing our culture alive with such flair and creativity. Moving on to the next. We have a special treat for all of you. That is the much loved play. They're famously known as Jaimidi. Jaimidi is a vibrant team from Jaimai village, and they are known for their hilarious village jokes that resonates with the audience. And this is season 3 of Jaimidi. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the cast of Jaimidi.
Check, check.